Okay, so you can see it's been several minutes. I did check it at the halfway point. I did toast the bread. Now let's pop it out. Look at that, guys. Perfect egg. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we made a 90-second keto bread in a microwave oven, and then we took a third of a cup of a measuring cup, and I used the back end of it, and I pushed down hard on it till I formed a little pouch. And then I cracked one egg, and I put a little salt and pepper, and I put this on for about 7.5 minutes in the air fryer. And this is what I ended up with for a nice little sandwich for today. See, flip it over. The bread's nice and hard. Didn't put no butter on the bread itself, but I just wanted to show you. This is the first for me. The bread, I love it because the bread's nice and crunchy, and I got a fully cooked egg. Now we're gonna open this up and see what it is. Let's see if there's it. Now I like a runny yolk, but this has been 7 minutes now. Let's see if we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Look at that, guys. Look at that, huh? So we're gonna have a little sample bite, and oh my God. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't got an air fryer, you really have to get one. So once again, we made this 90-second keto bread, and then we put it in the air fryer for 7 minutes to get this nice golden brown crust. And the texture is fantastic. I mean, I don't even really need a fork, but check this out, guys. Look at that. Really, really good for today. The egg is fully cooked. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to do some more recipes like this using low-carb weight loss breads. But I hope you enjoy your day. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.